Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can create and set up an Iron Condor option strategy inside of the broker platform Tastyworks. And first of all, as always, we have to choose an underlying asset to trade the Iron Condor on. For the sake of this example, I'll just choose SPY, but this can really be anything that you want. And let's just go for the September expiration contracts. Inside of this broker platform we have this handy feature that builds option strategies for you. For example, here if you select short or long Iron Condor and press go, you already have the Iron Condor set up. You can still edit it down here, you can increase, decrease the width, change the strikes, the quantity, expiration, and so on. But yeah, it's likely that your broker does not have this feature, so I'll also show you how you can create a long and a short Iron Condor manually with the option chain. So yeah, let's start with a short Iron Condor. We will begin with selling both an out the money and an out of the money put and an out of the money call on either side. So let's just choose the 253 strike for the call to sell here, and then that's around $5 out of the money. So let's do the same on the downside with the puts. So around 242 would be a good strike. So that's the two short strikes out of the way, and as you can see here, the payoff looks very similar to the one of a strangle, and that's because this more or less is a strangle. And the strangle is more or less the same as an Iron Condor, but just with unlimited risk. So as you can see down here, there's this would be an undefined risk trade, but an Iron Condor is not an undefined risk trade, it's defined risk. And to create that, we just have to add two long positions on each side as more or less as a hedge against bigger moves. So we will just go one strike further out on each side, but you could theoretically just go more than one strike out, but we'll just do that. And as you can see down here now, this would be a short Iron Condor with a defined risk, so it's not undefined risk anymore. But the payoff still looks very similar. Here you can see the profit, the probability of profit, the max profit and the max loss. And if we increase the width of this Iron Condor, the probability of profit goes up, but the max profit goes down, as you can see here, and the max loss goes up. So that's you have to decide yourself what's worth it. If you want to increase the probability of profit, the max profit will go down and the max loss would go up. But that's something for another lesson. So that's more or less how you can set up and create an Iron Condor. You could just go on to ordering right here, but we don't want to do that right now. Now let's just move on to a long Iron Condor. Again, you could do it up here like this, but we don't want that. A long Iron Condor is very similar to a short Iron Condor in the way it's set up, but the payoff is actually quite different. At this time we want to sell, we want to buy the inner strike, so we want to buy the 253 strike call and we want to buy the 242 strike put option. And again, we instead of buying the outer strikes, we want to sell the outer strikes this time. So we do this and this, and again you could theoretically go further out with the outer strikes, but I won't do that right now. And this more or less is the long Iron Condor here. The payoff, as you can see, it's actually the opposite of the short Iron Condor. So you actually make money if the price of the underlying moves far, and you lose money if it doesn't, but you don't really care in which direction. If the price goes up or goes down, you make money as long as the price moves enough. Again, you can edit the strategy down here. This time if you increase the width of the strikes, the probability of success will go down, but the max profit will go up, and the max loss will also go down if you increase the width. So exactly the opposite of a short iron condor. Yeah, but usually a short iron condor is a high probability, is used for high probability trading, and yeah, a long iron condor is more used for like directional plays, or just like plays where you expect the price to move a lot in like events, special events like earnings or elections and so on. But yeah, that was more or less it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.